Hello, do you know the subtraction number bonds for the number 17? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So subtraction number bonds, all it means is what two numbers subtracted together equal, in this case, 17. So you could do an easy one, like 18 take away 1. That's a great subtraction number bond for 17 because not only does it equal 17, but it's actually really easy to work out because you only take away 1. Or we could do a little bit of a harder one and do this. 21 take away, how many do I need to take away to get to 17? 4! I need to take away 4. So 21 take away 4, that equals 17. So that's another great number bond for 17. The point is, just look out for combinations which together subtracted equal 17. And then you'll be great. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!